Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can create a mail match using Microsoft Word. First of all, mail match is a feature in document processing, an email software that creates personalized or individualized documents such as letters, emails, or labels from a single template. So mail match combines the main document containing a fixed text with a separate data source like a spreadsheet or contact list, which holds unique information like the names or addresses which are to be inserted into the main document. So if you have a list of like 500 or 600 contacts that you want to send to the same letter, mail match can help you do that very fast, and I'm going to be showing you how you can do it. So first of all, we start by opening Word. You can go to the start button, press it, then type in Word, tap once and it will open. And then I had already created a basic letter that I'm going to use to show you how you can mail match. So the first thing that you do here is go to the mailings, which is here at the top. Then after that you can select start mail match, and then since we are going to merge letters, you select letters, but if you want to merge labels, then you can select labels. If it's envelope, you can select envelope. So it depends on what you want to merge, but in this case I'm going to be merging letters, so I'm going to select letters. The second thing we do is to select the recipient. So we go back up here and you tap here the drop down, then they'll bring for you different options. There is type a new list or use an existing list. Let's first go to type a new list. You tap once. So here you can type in anything that you want. The title you can put Mrs. Here we put John. Martha. And here you can include in the company name or even the address line, so you can fill in all the information that you want. So there's different columns that you can see here. They are customized. They can be customized. You just have to go down here where there is customized columns, then you can press that. And here you can be able to delete a column that you don't need. Now in this case I don't need company name. You can just go there and then delete. Yes. Okay. And you can see that company name has been deleted. So that is how you can delete. You can also add. Let me say I want to add contact. Then you just have to press OK, and contact will be added right here. You can also do some other things. You can rename. You can literally do anything that you need. When you're done with everything, then you just have to press OK. But for me in this case I'm not going to be using this because this works better if you have few recipients. If you have like 5 to 10 recipients, then it is fine, you can use this. But if you have more than that, you have like 500 recipients, then typing in will be so tiring. So it's better to use an existing list if you have it. So for me I already have an existing list, so I'm going to have to cancel this. Yeah, so I'll go back to select recipients, and then I'll type in use existing list, and then here I'll look for the list that I'm going to be using. Straight down here, not much. It's right here. So the list I'm going to be using is in Excel, so they will bring this. When they bring that, you click OK. Yeah, and then we also have an option of editing the recipient list, which is right here. You can click there to edit your recipient list. Just to show you if this is my recipient list, we can come here under Excel. You can see that they have been merged. The names are the same. The last names, you can see Anderson, Rachel, Anderson, Rachel. So the merging has taken place. So here, if you want to make more editing, you can do it here. If you feel like you don't want your letter to go to everyone on your contact list, you can come here and untick the people that you don't want to receive the letter. But in this case, I want everyone to receive the letter, so I'll tick them back just like that. So you also have other options down here. You can choose either to add filters or to sort your recipients in alphabetical order, or to find a recipient, find duplicates. So there are other more options right down here. So in case you want to edit if you want to edit your recipient list after attaching it, then you just have to jump right into edit recipient list, and when you're done editing, then you just have to press OK. Yeah, and then it's done. So our next step is to insert the merge field, and that's where the merge field group comes in. Right here we have the address block, we have the greeting line, and we have insert merge field right there. So we're going to start with the address block right here. Here you can choose the format in which you want your address to appear in, and here I can choose how I want the names to be formatted. All my recipients are right here. We can see them under the preview. They are right here, and I can choose the way I want their names to appear, whether I want it to be one name or I want all the two names to be there. So I can choose the way I want it to appear from here. So you just click any that you want to use. So I'll go with this. You can also insert the postal address, but if you don't want to, you can remove it completely by clicking and unticking it. Then, so my contacts don't have a company name, but if they had, then I'll make sure that I have the insert company name option selected. And when you're done with that, you can press OK. But before pressing OK, you have to make sure that you have positioned your mouse where you want your address to appear. And normally addresses appear at the top of the letters, so we are going to have to move our mouse there. Then we can go back to address block, choose the one we are going to use as I've been explaining, and then press OK. Yeah, like that. You can see that it has inserted the address block, and here we can look at our different. You go to preview results, you click, and there you can see the different recipients that it has been inserted on all the different letters going to the different people. Yeah, so we can go back to this and we can make some changes, we can make some adjustments, we can add in some information into the letter that you feel like is missing out. So the next thing I'm going to add is a greeting line right here. So here you have an option. You can choose either to use there or you can choose to use to. In this case I'm going to choose there, and right here, there, click, yeah. Then after that you can click OK. Yeah. If we go to preview, you can see that the greeting line has been added to the different letters, as you can see right there. So let's go back to this. You can try adding a name to make it more personalized. Like here, I would like to say thank you, Joanne. So what I do, I put my mouse there, then I move to insert merge field right here, and then I can choose what I want to insert. It could be a title, it could be the first name, it could be the last name. So let me first insert the title, and you can see that it has gone there. And then if I want to add a name, then I can go back here and I could choose to add the first name or the last name. So I'll add the last name. You just have to click here, dear Mrs. John. You can create some space here. Right there, like that. So after setting up your document the way you want it to be, then you go to finish and merge. So right here you can choose to print the document or to send email messages or to edit individual documents. If you feel like you want to still look at your document, then you can choose edit individual document and make sure that you've chosen all, then you say OK, and then the individual documents will be displayed and you can scroll down to see all of them right here. And in case there is anything that you want to make, any adjustment or anything you want to add in an individual letter, then you can do it. So after checking and doing everything, you can choose either to print them or to email them, depending on what you want to do. So that is how you use Microsoft Word to create a mail merge, and I hope you've learned something in this video. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to follow, like and subscribe. Bye bye.